Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're hoping to finish the job today on our house. That's our target. And the Nanay's house also in rendering is also finished. And tomorrow what the guys gonna do is putting this all together. The one that is useful can be used, and the rest just piled it there. But here, I just give you an updates here on the works here. The old the rendering also inside. She's seen the rendering inside, and we just leave it open so that there's an air flowing it in and out for the wood. Yeah, and this here also, the rendered here to avoid the termites, and even the other corners there, it's rendered. So it's falling into part. It's almost finished. In this side here, we also started here. He also rendered inside. So after what they did is, after they filed the side here, they rendered inside so that it's not it's easy for them. And the next following days, it's gonna be cleared up here because it's very dangerous. The nails for tetanus, and at the same time, if we just leave it like this, it's gonna be a lot of snakes hiding it. So we're hoping the job will finish today, and then tomorrow it's just the clearing up. So in this portion here, they're gonna build up soil here, and then after that cementing it. And this is gonna be the gate here going in. So we put there some chairs. So in this portion here also, we're gonna get some wood here to cover it, and then put cement that area so it's close. Yeah, and today also we're hoping to finish it. The corrugated iron, the cladding there. It's early it's early in the morning, not yet so they put a cladding here, so that's what we're hoping that it's gonna be finished. And this side also, and then my brother Beanie will do some door here so it's private, and then clad here in this area so it's double walling, and also this side. Yeah, so that's it. It's pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day and God bless.